Your inn can be modeled well and still feel flat most of the time. It is not a mesh causing it, it is the materials. That is where the inn shader pack comes in. Instead of building every one surface from scratch, you get a set of shaders made to give an old inn that used lived-in feel. Push the scene away from the clean siege surfaces with worn edges, subtle color variation, blended floors, warm window glass, and small changes across repeated pieces. The useful part is consistency. These shaders are designed to sit together, so your scene feels like one place, not a set of random downloads. Use them in assets, adjust where needed, and spend more time shaping environment instead of rebuilding the same material problems again. Full material list and setup details are in the description. Get the inn shader pack and start building your scene